The Team Magnus Incog water gun is designed to be durable and, in case something breaks, repairable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose and repair your water gun if you need to. First, I will be looking at the cap and then the body. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's jump right in. Let's talk about the cap. If you have a water gun from 2026 or later, your cap should look like this. Now, if the cap got pulled a little too hard and has fallen apart, and it looks like this, don't worry, it's super simple to put back together. Just put one piece on top of the next, like that, and then this whole piece back inside the cap. Press it down, use a pen or something at hand, press all the pieces down firmly all the way as far as they go, and it should click back into place. There you go. If your cap looks like this, but it doesn't work quite right during play or it makes funny noises, check underneath this white rubber air valve flap. There might be some dirt stuck under there. You can wash it out with water or just pick it out with your screwdriver or pencil, anything that fits. If you find that you don't have this air valve in your cap anymore, unfortunately for this there is no easy fix. Your Incog will still be usable. You can just screw it on and use it as normal. However, just be careful that water will come through there when you tilt it down if there is water inside. So empty it before storage. If while using the Incog you see that water is not coming out in a nice stream, the first thing to check is this nozzle here. Just take a look inside and check if there is anything blocking the way for the water. And if there is, just dig it out with a needle or something small. If you're experiencing problems with pumping or leaking or something's just not quite right, it might be a problem with the internals. So what we need to do is to open it up. For that, you're going to need a small, thin screwdriver, similar to the one that I have here. It can also be a Phillips head. Across, I'm using a flat head. And what you're going to do is just go into each and every one of these holes that you can see and take out the screws. Bear in mind that as you unscrew them, the screws will not come out all the way. They will be loose but still inside the hole. If you want to take them out, you just tap upside down and there you go. Once they're out, you can take off this panel, put that to the side, and here you'll find 3 more screws inside to unscrew. All of the screws are the same size, so don't worry about mixing them, it's no problem. Alright, now that all the screws are loose, you can take off the body, put it somewhere safe. And let's take a look inside. If you found that your Incog was suddenly just firing air and you weren't sure why, the first thing to check is the piston. You can safely pull it out and you might see that you have the same problem that I have here. If you look at the O-ring, it's not in place. All you have to do is pop it back inside and you can just put the piston back in. I do recommend reapplying some grease. You can use silicone or PTFE grease. Don't use petroleum-based grease because it will degrade the O-ring over time. And whatever you use, at least make sure that it's food safe so that if it mixes with the water inside and gets sprayed into somebody's face, that it's all safe. Then you can just put it back inside and that should be it. You can also check the O-rings here. Just pull that apart. Check that they're all in place. You can apply some grease there too. If you need to, put them back into position. Slide this back inside. Put all the pieces back together. like a big Lego, and there you go. With those things checked, you should have been able to fix most of the problems that you might encounter with your Incog. If you're encountering a different problem, you can check the repair resources on the Team Magnus website. There will be links below the video.